You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of evidence and ideas. You've just crossed over into the crime zone. The Crime Zone drawing program is the fastest and easiest way to create accurate, real-world scale 2D and 3D crime scene diagrams and animations. The Crime Zone is user-friendly. To create drawings, just use these basic concepts. Import measured data and draw lines. Place symbols. Add text and dimensions. And take advantage of the easy tools in Crime Zone. Let's take a look at a couple of the easy tools in Crime Zone: Easy Body Poser and Easy Stairs. Use Easy Body Poser to quickly pose a body in 3 dimensions and place it in your drawing. Pick from a selection of preset poses. You can even save your own custom poses. Adjust the body to work in your scene. Choose the gender, build, and skin color. You can even add, remove, and change the style and color of the clothes worn. With Easy Stairs, you can build exact scale models of stairways, ramps, and ladders. Select the stair type and then adjust it to fit your scene. Add any of thousands of pre-drawn crime, crash, and marine symbols to your drawing. Need help? Open up the Learning Center for access to the manual, tutorials, movies, expert files, and links to the CAD Zone discussion groups and updates. Get a quick overview of different toolboxes and features by selecting a movie from any of the projector icons found on the toolbox. Access command-specific help files from the Help pull-down menu, or by clicking on the question mark located at the top right corner of every feature dialog box. If you still have questions, you can always call our office for free tech support. Import measured data from total stations, LTI equipment, and data collected with the Pocket Zone. Use the coordinate data table to open existing ASCII files and enter hand measurements using baseline and triangulation coordinates. Work with data from photogrammetry programs such as Eyewitness and Photo Modeler. Directly open AutoCAD DXF and DWG files. Scale and trace over aerial and satellite photos. The Crash Zone is a true CAD program with precise drawing and editing tools. Create and modify a drawing easily and accurately with tools for drawing lines and objects at exact lengths and directions, and easily calculate slope information. Snap to exact locations on any object. Offset, fillet, and trim with just a couple of mouse clicks. Break, stretch, rotate, and move objects with complete real-world accuracy. Add another dimension to your drawings with the 3D viewer. A 3D view is just a click away in the Crime Zone. Symbols will automatically convert from 2D to 3D in the 3D viewer. All 3D data collected with measuring devices, entered into the coordinate data table, and applied to objects with the 3D Builder tool will automatically be displayed in the 3D viewer. We've already taken a look at Easy Body Poser and Easy Stairs. Now let's take a look at a few other tools and features in Crime Zone 3D. Add 3D doors and windows to walls with the Doors and Windows tool. Use the Easy Roofs tool to add roofs of any size, shape, and elevation to your 3D buildings. Use the Wall Evidence tool to project images and objects to a 3D vertical surface. This can include anything from photographs of items on the wall itself, road signs, background scenery, text and dimensions, and anything else you can draw. Set your line of sight by moving the camera and target icons in the 3D viewer. Adjust their position and height to recreate the actual point of view. No program on the market will let you complete a 2D and 3D crime scene diagram easier than the Crime Zone. In this example, let's rebuild a crime scene in 2D and 3D from baseline data collected at the scene. We will use the Easy Tools in Crime Zone to create the room, walls, place symbols, pose a body, add photos, and draw bullet trajectory lines. These are the baseline measurements taken at the scene. Enter the measurements into the coordinate data table in Crime Zone. It automatically creates the basic drawing from the data entered. Now place the data from the coordinate data table into the drawing. Use the 3D Builder tool to add wall height. Use the Easy Stairs tool to add the stairway into the drawing. Now add symbols to the drawing. Scale, rotate, and change the symbol color to match the scene. Use Easy Body Poser to pose and place the body to match the points measured at the scene. Use the Wall Evidence tool to show the bullet holes on the wall, add pictures, text, dimensions, and anything else needed to recreate the scene. Create bullet trajectory paths by drawing and extending lines between the bullet entry and exit spots on the wall. The scene is complete. Take 3D snapshots from any location in the drawing. Add the finishing touch to your reconstruction by animating your work using the Easy Animation tools. Create an accurate animation along a path you create in the diagram. Call today to get your free evaluation copy of the Crime Zone. Visit our website at www.cadzone.com. Become part of the CADZone family today, the industry leader in diagramming software for the public safety market.